Alright, bad ladies and gentlemen. Back again. Actually, I'm not here to talk about uh these pairs or what, because I did a breakdown first video. So this is just a second video, guys. I'm in a trade right now, USDT, guys. I'm gonna show you how I caught the trade. Then I'm gonna tell you what I'm here to talk about. Right? The reason why I took this trade is because of zone. I see the strong zone here. The market went back to bounce back here, and then here where the zone here again, here strong zone level, and then we have a 90% rule, as in like this. You see this zone, market touch here, touch there. I entered my trades around here. It was here, man. It was in profits. I think right now it's on minor losses maybe, but you can see that these zones are strong, this one. And I also saw this trend line. We have to get the 90% rule. It's on minor losses now, but it's not something that is worrying me. I know it's gonna push, man. I know it's gonna push. TP is. So maybe you all can also jump into USDT once you see like proper entries. Once you see proper entries, scale down to smaller time frame, because me, I'm already inside. Right, sharp. Let's go to NAS, because NAS, I uploaded NAS. Remember I said NAS, you will only take trades if it breaks. You see NAS is playing here, because we want it to break this level. But whenever it breaks this level and retest, it's going to be strong. I know. So guys, today I'm here to talk about, let's check EURUSD. Yesterday's EURUSD. Guys, yesterday I uploaded EURUSD. Remember, it was here, it was somewhere here. Look where it is right now, and it's a long-term trade. Remember I said, if you see me using this, it means this is a long-term trade. So I did a breakdown for EURUSD sharp. You see, clean guys. Those who are trading currencies, if you are inside, man, you are in deep profits. You are running nice. And TP is here. It's going up there, bro. I did a breakdown for EURUSD. Look where it is right now. It's okay. I want to talk about something today. Let us go to DXY bit. Yeah, but I don't want to talk about DXY though. I'm gonna do this. I'm here to talk about zones, guys. The interpretation of zones. I want you guys to understand zones in a proper way. Right? Okay. You have the market, guys. The market was moving like this. Break this zone. Right? And then it did this. Once it retests, this zone is strong. On the buying side, I want to show you guys something. You see the market keeps on coming. This one, like this one. And it goes and end up breaking here. Obviously, when it retests, we're expecting it to buy, right? But here's my point, guys. This zone, right? Okay, let's talk about momentum. You need to first focus on the momentum of the market, right? You see this zone, right? Because of the momentum of the market, it's been bullish. So I want to teach you guys the interpretation of zones. Guys. I want to teach you guys the interpretation of zones, right? Because of this, right? This zone, what you're looking at is for the market to break this zone, retest and enter buys. Because you believe that based on the momentum, when these zones hear the momentum of this market, which is the bulls, it becomes strong. So, problem is, people want to do this, then here you find people now wanting to sell. Yes, it can sell because it's gonna react, but it's not safe. People do this, sell, they're thinking of sale. Sometimes it can sell, but you gotta respect. If you take a sell, don't go long. So, like, what I'm trying to say is, respect the momentum, right? Let's say the market comes here. Maybe others can take their buys here and all that. and so on, so on. And then now there's another concept that we broke this, we retested, the market went up, and then the market decided to come back, break it again, disrespect it, right? So pay attention here, guys. Let me delete this one. I want you guys to pay attention here. Yeah, guys, please like and subscribe, man. Please do that for us. Now I'm gonna show you guys something. So now this zone, now we broke it. So now people think maybe this zone is no longer strong, but they forget about the momentum. So when it breaks, you find that people now, they think this zone is no longer strong. When the market comes back inside this zone, people are scared to take buys, and that this is where this zone is gonna start becoming strong. Come here, retest here, and then continue buying. So guys, if a zone is disrespected, when the market comes to that zone respecting a trend, that's my point. My point is, when the market comes back to a zone and is respecting the trend, which is a bullish trend that we have here, which is a bullish trend, the market, that zone is going to be strong again, and you can take entries, right? So what I'm trying to say is, a zone can be disrespected, a zone is respected also, right? But a zone can be disrespected 5 times, but on the 6th time, the market can be respected based on the momentum and the direction of the market, right? So this is the interpretation of zones, right? You need to understand how zones works. If you know zones, you know how to trade gold, you know how to trade Nasdaq, USD, and German. They move zone to zone. Currencies, they move zone to zone, but on currencies, man, you find that, check Euro USD. We gave a signal yesterday, a breakdown on Euro USD, but it took like many hours playing on the same spot. But you know that USD, Nasdaq, they don't do that. They just go straight up, man. If there's a zone, they respect it and take off. That is why I love trading indices, because they move same time. If you see an entry, they're gonna take that entry. So guys, this is the interpretation of zone, guys. You need to understand that if a zone is disrespected, tomorrow it can be respected based on the momentum. You know what I mean? So that's how it is, guys. That is why even remember on Nasdaq, there was a zone like this on Nasdaq yesterday. If you can go to our previous video, the market had a strong zone. I'm just giving an example, but you can go to a previous video. You want to see why. For example, you remember Nasdaq? I said it yesterday. I said that it's gonna sell, right? And I said Nasdaq, when it breaks this zone, that's where it's gonna sell more. And when it breaks, it retested. So how did I know that this is a zone? How did I know that this zone won't make the market buy? Because of the momentum, respecting the momentum from the top side. What was happening from back then? Top side going down. Now, I knew it's going to break that zone. I knew that zone will not be strong to stop the sales, but that zone will be strong to put more momentum into sales. Okay, that's my point. Let's talk about it now. Sometimes there are some zones, they are not strong to stop the market, but they are strong to give that direction more momentum. The market is selling. There is a zone. That zone doesn't mean that it's going to stop the market to sell. That zone is there to give it more momentum. That is why people are going to be taking entries after breaking it and retest it. You'll be surprised. The market is easily to break it, and now it comes back and retest and continue selling. It means what? That zone is there to give it the momentum. It's strong when it comes to giving it the momentum to keep on selling, not to stop it. Understand? So you need to understand which type of zone is this one. Is this zone going to take an opposite direction, or is this zone going to give the direction more momentum? If you can study that and understand that, you're gone. Bye guys. Like and subscribe. God bless you all.